Hi, Anthony Carruthers, Better Lesson Master Teacher Project. And in this reflection, I want to talk about how the lesson on the golden ratio actually came about. We happened to be in a book section on the golden ratio, I'm sorry, on similarity. And there was a problem about the golden ratio. And this particular problem required that students be able to simplify an expression with a radical in the denominator, one that required multiplying by the conjugate. So really what started as my wanting students to know how to simplify these expressions turned into a full-fledged lesson on the golden ratio. What was nice about that was that students were completely focused on the golden ratio aspect. And at the same time, in order for them to engage with that golden ratio aspect, they had to have full command of simplifying radical expressions and also the proportional properties of similar figures. So from my standpoint, the radicals and the similarity properties were the most important part. For students, the thing they were really interested in was the golden ratio, but that motivated them to actually do the things that were most important to me. So in that way, my true objectives were kind of embedded within the lesson, unbeknownst to students. Whereas they would have probably told you we were learning about the golden ratio, I would say they were learning how to simplify radicals and know the properties of similarity. And of course, the golden ratio knowledge was a big, big plus and a byproduct of the lessons. So what that taught me is just basically if we can find a way to embed our learning objectives within a bigger, probably more interesting context that requires those important objectives, then students will naturally attain those learning objectives. And not only that, they'll surpass them because they really will have to have full command of them in order to engage in what they want to engage in. So that was just a kind of new insight for me and just wanted to share it. Anthony Carruthers, Better Lesson Master Teacher Project.